weather is in the Kimball County area and KIMBN Network Blogspot is on top of it. From the Kimball Storm Center, this is a breaking weather update protected by State Farm Insurance. Visit them at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball. Here is the special weather report. Special weather report. A red flag warning is in effect from noon to 7 p.m. Monday evening for gusty south to southeast winds and low humidity for fire weather zones 436 and 437. The National Weather Service in Cheyenne has issued a red flag warning, which is in effect from noon to 7 p.m. Monday evening. The affected areas are fire weather zones 436 and 437. Winds are south to southeast winds 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts to 35 miles per hour. Humidity is 10 to 15%. Impacts are any fires that develop will likely spread rapidly. Outdoor burning is not recommended. A red flag warning means that critical fire weather conditions are either occurring now or will shortly. A combination of strong winds, low relative humidity, and warm temperatures can contribute to extreme fire behavior. There is also a high wind watch in effect from Tuesday morning through Tuesday night. Northwest winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 65 miles per hour are possible for Banner County, Cheyenne County, Kimball County, Morrill County, and Scottsbluff County from Tuesday morning through Tuesday night. Impacts are mainly to transportation. Strong cross winds will be hazardous to lightweight or high-profile vehicles, including campers and tractor trailers. A high wind watch means there is the potential for a hazardous high wind event. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or stronger may occur. Continue to monitor the latest forecasts. A red flag warning begins at noon tomorrow Monday and will continue until 7 p.m. Monday evening. A high wind watch begins at 11 a.m. Tuesday morning and will continue until 11 p.m. Tuesday night. Stay tuned for additional updates. This significant weather update is protected by Joe Mejia of State Farm Insurance of Kimball Insurance located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball.
No. I can't handle this.
Great handle takes some practice.
Jewel Lloyd.
The key is balance and anticipation, so no one can steal.
Someone did steal.
Oh. Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Hey, State Farm's here to help.
We should watch the game. Oh, right.
Like a good neighbor, State Farm is there.
Contact Joe Mejia of State Farm at 308-230-2200. You can also visit Joe Mejia Insurance Agency Incorporated online at kimballinsurance.net. Open hours are Tuesday through Thursday from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. and closed Friday through Monday. Also open evenings and Saturdays by appointment. We are located at 229 South Chestnut Street in downtown Kimball next to H&R Block.